Good day, everyone. Learn how to fix slow Windows boot in minutes. So we will be doing only two very simple steps, and you will see a drastic change in your laptop or desktop, whether it's Windows 10 or Windows 11. So here in the search icon, type power, and you will find power, edit power, and we just need to choose a power plan in the control panel. Once you see that, once you see the window, here we need to choose what the power button does at the top. Once you click on that, shut down settings, turn on the fast startup. If it's already turned on, well and good, because this helps start your PC faster after shutdown. So if it's turned on, well and good. And if it doesn't, turn this on and click on Save Changes. Now, the next part is doing a right click in the Start icon, and then we will go to Task Manager. Now here, the Task Manager is opened. We will maximize it first, and then we will go to Startup Apps. All right, now I'll tell you which is very important, the startup impact. Firstly, you need to select the status and sort out which all applications are enabled at the startup. Because when you turn on the computer, it loads the operating system as well as it loads those applications which you have set in the startup. So you can see here the startup impact for all these applications. Make sure you are not disabling any security, graphics, audio, right? Only the things which you do not want at the startup, like WhatsApp, phone link, or any app, Microsoft Teams, I do not want at the startup. If you wish, you can do that. And you just need to do a right click, and then you can simply disable it. And you can check one by one. And once you are done with the disabling part, like I do use Copilot, but I do not want it at the startup. So I have disabled it. All right. So once you are done with this, now you will restart the computer and you will see a big difference in it. Do let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad if you do so. I mean, if you see a change in your computer, the boot time is less, please hit the like and subscribe, and also leave a comment, because your comments really motivates me. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care.